Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna tell you the site this app pays you money. Just doing simple things. It only pays you to your PayPal account. For those of you that have PayPal accounts, so I'm gonna tell you the trick to earn on this site and what and how it works. So we're going to earn what money right now and what we do our money, and it's very legit and what 100% legit. So to earn on this site, you just need to what grow plants. So we're waiting for it to load. You just need to grow plants. Wow, can you see? A very grow plant. You just need to what press it. Back click, you click on this apple here. The more you click on the apple, the more one coin per apple. So if you have 1,000 apple, you are earning 1,000 coins. So this is how many apple here. So you are clicking on it. Can you see it? Can you see it? I've produced a lot of apple. I'm just clicking on it. Can you see? The more apple it produces, the more you click on it. So let's come to this side now. If you come here, if you come to this place, you can also earn more coin. This apple here is real money. This coin you are claiming here is real money. Yeah, it's legit money. So not game coin. This one is not game coins. Can you see? The more I'm clicking, the more coin is coming out. So let's check here. Earn more coins. So if you click any more coin now, you can just choose anything. When you click here, so when you answer the survey, you are earning 1,360 coin, 1,360 coin. Leave. So let's check another thing again. So when you click here, this one here, you should also download app. When you download, you have to put your email, set everything. So another one again. So when you click here, there's a lot of this thing there. So when you play this game, you can also earn coin when you play the game. Yeah, earn more apple when you play the game. So if you click on here now, so the more you play this game, the more apple you collect. So to come here now, you press go. So you press go. You can only roll 8 times to win on it. So when you spin again, you also win. So you also win again. So the more you do this one, can you see I get another point again? So when you click here, so you just need to press back. So when you press back, I just earn 2 apple. Just press what? Give up. So when you get to 10 apple, let's give up. I'm no more doing again. So can you see it produce more? You keep clicking on it. Can you see the more it produces, the more it keep coming. Wow, it produce a lot of fruit. So to earn this thing here, this is what we call fertilizer. So this fertilizer here is what 13 diamonds. So if you have 13 diamonds, you're going to buy the fertilizer, and this is water. So the more you wet it, the more you earn on it. So the main thing we need to get is what this diamond up here. I only have 7 diamond here. So to get more diamond, you just need to watch videos. So if you want to watch this video, you just need to set auto click, so you don't waste your time. You can just go and sleep. So auto click will do the remaining job for you. So when you click here, so this ad will play. So
first. You see this game where
if
I
this
dey play
ads
now, where I dey make
play,
money from this. Oga, see, you can make money daily on mobile Premier League. All you need to do.
so you're waiting for the ads to play finish. So when the ads play finish, you are earning what diamond. So you're waiting for it. So you just need to set your auto click, and auto click will do the remaining job for you. You press what cancel. Wow, that let me add one to it. So per video you watch it one, per video you watch it one. So that's it, and it's very easy for you to earn more on it. We just need to buy water. You wet it. So when you buy water and you wet it, you see it. So go to play ads. So when you play these ads, it doesn't mean just press skip. So when you press skip, can you see you have to wait for another seconds, 300 seconds to buy another water. You have to wait for 300 seconds. So you just need to what, collect this one that the water produce, and that's all about it. Can you see the tree grow more? So the more you buy fertilizer, the more the tree gets growing and keep producing. So to withdraw your money, you just need to come to this wallet here. 20,000 coin is $2. Wow. And in a day you can earn up to more than 1,000, more than 100,000 coin. You can earn more than that in a day. It's very easy. So I used 50,000 coin, 100,000, 200, 250. So the minimum is what, 250 points. So the more 250 apple you earn, so you got $25. 250 apple is what, $25. 250 apple is $25. Wow, just enjoy your money and very legit. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on these videos. Thanks for watching.